day-to-day English vocabulary, illiteracy, the inability to read or write, எழுத்தறிவின்மை, poverty, the state of being extremely poor and lacking basic needs, வறுமை, malnutrition, lack of proper nutrition caused by not eating enough or right food, ஊட்டச்சத்து குறைபாடு, unemployment, the state of not having a job despite actively looking for one, வேலையின்மை, corruption, dishonest or illegal behavior by people in power like bribery, ஊழல், casteism, discrimination or prejudice based on a person's social caste, சாதியவாதம், untouchability, the practice of ostracizing a minority group banned under Indian law, தீண்டாமை, gender bias, unfair treatment or prejudice toward one gender, usually woman, பாலின பாகுபாடு, marginalization, pushing a specific group of people to the edge of society, ஓரங்கட்டப்படுதல், child labor, the employment of children in work that deprives them of childhood, குழந்தை தொழிலாளர் முறை. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Way to ambition.